Hey, what's up guys? Don here. So today I'm going to show you one of my favorite training methods. So I like to use the auto advance at about 80% of what my best time is. So, well, 10 to 20% faster. So 18.79, that's my best time, times zero point 0.8. So roughly 15 seconds. With the grab here, so I have it set to 15.8 with the grab. I'll come down to just over 15 seconds usually. Um, Now you can use the same thing if you're doing this in 60 seconds, times it by zero point 0.8. So if you're doing this in 60 seconds, I recommend you try 48 with the auto advance. It'll help you grow because you can still reasonably keep up with that. So my goal when I do this sort of training is to get above 60 because then I'm about 75% accurate. So I'm pushing myself, but I'm not doing it at a level that I'm not keeping up at all. So I really think that's the key. So go through your memory palace, I like to count the locations. So I'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay. All right, so now just going to really zone in on that. Okay. Nine. Uh-oh. Okay, I see the problem. Okay, something's out of place. Oh, here it is. I know something had this. This could be an error here. Um, ah, it was an action with it was either I think it's 7-7 or 7-5. They look different, but well, going at this speed, they are maybe a little too similar. Could be something for me to work on. Um, hmm. Yeah, I'm really not sure at this point, but that's okay. Um, Something doesn't feel right. Oh. Something is wrong. Has to be. So yeah, I probably got, actually this one pretty good. I might be close to 70 out of 80, which is like when I do this kind of training, that's a great score. I'm gonna have to speed up here. Yeah, let's just click finish. Yeah, I'm very happy with that. That is an excellent result. It usually does not go that way. It's usually more like 64 or 66. So I'm very happy to get 72 in 15 seconds here. So yeah, that's how you use the auto advance feature. It will really help you just develop those speeds and just make yourself stronger.